back to our
channel.
So today we are going to be unboxing. We finally got a ring light, so I'm so happy.
Yippee!
Right. You wanna go get it?
I will. 1 second. It's really heavy.
So I didn't think it was gonna be this big when I ordered it, but it's the newly 18-inch.
I got it, Mom. I did it. I got it.
Ring light.
Whoa!
And it's in another box. Okay.
Oh, cool. And there's another box.
So lately we've just been using the sunlight to do our videos.
Yes.
But now we have this. I'm so happy.
Me too.
You gonna help me set it up?
Yeah, I will, Mommy.
Okay.
Let's see.
Man, hope this don't fall in mess in my bed. It's like Christmas time.
Yeah. Whoa! There's a bag, guys.
It opens. It came in this bag right here.
Oh, God. I'm cracking up.
This is so cute.
Put a thumbs up if you like it. Oh, that's so cool. Let me show it to them. There it is.
It's the stand, I'm guessing. Yeah, the light stand.
Light stand.
I'll keep this dirty down together.
Yeah.
So this is the.
Oh, Mom, and here it is. Hey, Mommy.
So this, I guess this is a little stand.
Yeah. These will bring your for that, I guess. Whoa.
Go this way. Oh, right there. That's why. Duh.
Yeah. There's instructions anyways. This is instructions.
Go ahead.
And, whoa, Mom, this is heavy.
Ooh, this is the light. Awesome. I'm guessing it comes with white.
Ooh, that's cool.
And
Oh, and it goes with a rubber band. Oh, that's cool. Guys. Hang on.
And it comes with this little plug thing and a little beep, 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 beep.
Let me see. Let me do it. Bing, 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 bing. That's cool.
Little thing right there.
Okay, guys, it's time to build. Let's go. Woo.
Tell them not to mess with this. and this, I couldn't figure out where it go in there. So I had to turn it backwards to realize it goes in this little slide part. So I'm just gonna slide this in here.
Mommy, you couldn't figure it out?
Yeah, to make it tight. Yeah. There we go. Back in action.
Just back there, make it move, spin this cash.
Mommy, I want this to be my new bed.
Let's see that I do it right. When was we already on? I know. Hello. Why you're not on?
Sorry, we got some trouble for this.
Ooh. And there is light.
There's the light on the
Ooh.
side.
So guys, this is the end of the video. We finally got our light. Yes. So hopefully our videos be much better. Much better.
Please.
But anyway, so see how high
Oh, it's right.
and how low it goes. But I'll figure out where we want it. Maybe right there. So I got our new light, our new 18-inch light. Jordan got a new bed.
Over there in the box.
So we'll catch y'all later.
Make sure you subscribe. Get us a big thumbs up. Look at us and go to our channels so you can see our good little channels that we always make.
All right, ready to close it out?
Yep.